friends, first of all a very big thank you for liking my video, for sharing my video and for subscribing to my channel. On a very strong demand today, I would discuss some common myths related to the favorite investment of millennials. म्यूचुअल फंड सही है, थोड़ा थोड़ा करके भी इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो, पैसा कभी भी निकाल सकते हो, प्लानिंग शॉर्ट टर्म हो या लॉन्ग टर्म, म्यूचुअल फंड सही है. So many attractive advertisements, wonderful marketing. All leading newspapers and news channels are promoting mutual funds. And सच बात है, जो दिखता है वही बिकता है. People who aren't aware what mutual fund concept is also want to invest in it. In last 2 years, crores have been mobilized from FDs to equities. In today's video, I want to first clear some basic concepts about mutual funds. Myth 1. SIPs are safe. You do not lose money in SIPs. SIPs work on the principle of regular investments or periodic investments. SIP is just another monthly systematic investment like SSPs in LIC or RD in banks or ECS for PPF. SIPs only help you to have disciplined savings. SIPs safeguard against market volatility and helps average out costs over time. But SIPs nowhere provides guarantee against losses. It may pass through straight roads or bumpy roads. It may lead you to your desired financial goals in lesser or sometimes higher time frame. But there is no guarantee that you may or may not lose money in SIP. Myth 2. Mutual fund is common man's only tool to become rich. It's true, mutual funds have the potential to generate 2-digit returns, and hence financial advisors advise you to have mutual funds in your portfolio to accelerate the process of wealth accumulation. But the notion and belief that investing in mutual fund can make someone rich is definitely incorrect. Mutual fund investors who were earning or were at 8 to 15% profit till Feb 2020 are today facing a capital loss of 20 to 50%. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks and situations. Remember, mutual funds have chances to earn higher in market. They do not come with any sovereign guarantee. Myth 3. Investing in best performing schemes always gives better returns. You must have always come across a statement, past performance may or may not be sustained in future, which is no less than a statutory disclaimer which simply means that regardless of fund's consistent performance, it may not be the same always. Hence, the fact that a fund may underperform and may probably give lower yield should be accepted before selecting to invest in a particular scheme. Myth 4. SIPs are short-term investments. A big no. In fact, gone are the days when advisors used to recommend SIPs for short-term. Today, every financial advisor tells you to remain invested for at least 8 to 10 years. To generate 2-digit returns, your investment has to go through different market cycles. Historically, a downturn is always followed by a rebound, which is when your investments stand to gain. But yes, there are good chances that if you have a longer time frame, you may get better return in SIP. Myth 5. ELSS funds have a lock-in period of 3 years. This is a very common misunderstanding amongst investors that tax-saving funds, also called as ELSS funds, have a lock-in period of 3 years. First of all, lock-in period means a minimum time frame for which you need to remain invested. You can also continue after the period of 3 years. It can be redeemed after 3 years only if you have made a lump sum investment. For SIPs and ELSS funds, each investment needs to complete a cycle of 36 months, which means that if you want to redeem all the units, you will have to hold it for 72 months. My next video aims in clearing your doubts over investment of mutual funds in the current scenario. So friends, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel to stay tuned. Stay home.